for all the people that keep claiming they've never had a problem with floppy selectors in a VFC or any of the VFC AEGs with an ambi selector, especially the fucking SIG MCX cunt thing. Alright, yeah. Wobbly as a bitch. Wobbly as a bitch. You speak to VFC or any of the main suppliers of the VFC, they go, no, that's not a problem. Yeah. I think you find it fucking is. Like and subscribe if you found that your selector's wobbly. Really wussy spring. As you can see, that's very slightly fucking out of the way. If we put it directly across here, there's a chance the gearbox could crack or rupture, or it's just not sitting nicely. We need to make sure this is going to be sitting as tight as possible against the gun. Obviously, it's going to sit this way round. The idea is that when it sits tight, this grip piece at the back is going to take all the fucking pressure when you hold the gun like this. If it wasn't for this back strap, it'd be a very bad idea just to mount here. Right, this is as far as I can go with this one. Unfortunately, because of the barrel that is inside it, it is shredding hot rubbers. It is a lambada, I believe, or something like that. Whatever they want to call it. The fucking Brucey bonus Dancy McFuck cunt. And yeah, it's literally shredding hot rubbers because of how sharp the window is. I'm not really wanting to modify the hop window inside this gun. I'm not interested in doing that, just because it might have a very negative effect, and if this barrel is working fine in another gun of his, then perfect. But in this particular gun, this barrel is very, very, very unhappy. He has other barrels at home, other hop rubbers, and the plan is, now that we know the gearbox is working perfectly, and it does hop a 0.3 a decent way, and it's chronoing on a 0.3 consistently at around the 250 to 255 FPS mark, which is fine. That is around, what, 320-ish mark on 0.2s. That's perfectly fine, that's acceptable. However, when we try and feed 0.2s through it, it doesn't fucking like it, and again, that's the barrel and the hot rubber interfering with it. So rather than spend loads more money, we're simply going to send it back, as agreed with the customer, and he's going to play with the hop and rubber settings himself, and that's that bit there. Motor's been replaced, piston's been replaced, mag cache has been replaced, and the hot rubber's been replaced about 10 million times. Still, the gun sounds absolutely lovely, and it's a VFC Avalon, so on the outside, they're fucking gorgeous.